Hello friends, welcome back to the code generator. This is your Nandini with a new topic today, that is strings in Java. So let's begin with the strings. So strings are used for the storing text. A string variable contains a collection of characters surrounded by double quotes. So let's see each and every small thing about the strings. So please watch this video till the end so that you can see each and everything about the strings in Java. So first of all, how to create a string in Java. So you can create a variable type of string and assign it a value. For example, string, and I'll say greetings. I'll say greet. So is equals to hello friends. So this is how you can create string in Java. And next is string length. Now you would like to know the length of the string. The string in Java is actually an object which contains methods that can perform certain operations on string. For example, the length of a string can be found with a length method. Okay, so let's try with the first method on these strings. So I'll say system.out.println, and I'll say the length of the greet. Okay, here our variable is greet, so I'll say greet string is, it will be space, I'll say plus greet dot length. So like this, you can save this and I'll just run it. It is string.java. So here it is, the length of the greet string is 12. Okay, so let's move with the next one. Now there are many more methods in on the string. So this was the one method, and like that we have many more methods. So the next method is to uppercase and to lowercase. So let's try with this, and here I have written hello friends, and in the next line I would like to print this in the uppercase method. So I'll say the name of the variable, that is greet dot lowercase, to lowercase. Okay, so it will print hello friends in the to lowercase, and then I'll just remove this and I'll say greet dot uppercase to uppercase. Okay, so just let's save it, and here you can see the output. The second line is hello friends, that is written in the lowercase, and third one is hello friends in the uppercase. So this is how there are so many methods on the strings. And next is, for example, you want to find out, or you would like to find out any character in a string, or any variable in or any word in a string. So you can find out a character in a string with the help of index method, where index method returns the index or position of the first occurrence of the specified text in a string, including the white spaces. Okay, so I'll say hello friends, welcome to the code generator. Okay, and here in the, okay, let it be. I'll change this. I don't want here, I want this here. And here I'll say our variable name is greet, so I'll say greet dot index of code. Okay, in the double quotes. Okay, I'll just remove it. Ta-da! Ta-da! And this, done. Okay, so let's save it and we'll run this. So here the 24 is the place or the position of the code in the greet string. So this is how you can find any character or any word in the string. Okay, so where Java counts perform from the Java count positions starts from the 0. Okay, so 0 is the first position in a string and 1 is the second and second is the third, like that, so on. Okay, next is string concatenation. Okay, so the plus operator can be used between string to combine them. This is called concatenation. So let's see with that, and for this I'll create one more, like a new variables, new strings, and I'll say first name and I'll write John. Okay, let's take its very simple names which you usually see in the videos, and I'll say last name is equals to Joy. Okay, so these are two strings, and now I'm going to concatenate these two strings, these two strings, sorry. So first name plus inverted comma space and the last name. So let's save this, where note that we have added an empty text, that is inverted comma space and inverted comma close, to create a space between first name and last name on the print. Okay, so just I'll just save it and I'll just run this. So here you can see John and Joy. These were the two strings, two different strings, where I have combined them, I have concatenated them. Okay, so next one is next we can have a method called as concat method. We can also use concat method to concatenate two strings. Okay, so I'll just use these two strings itself and I'll say system.out and first name dot concat last name. Okay, so this is very simple, and let's see. So this is how you can concatenate these two strings. So this is done with the concatenation of strings, and next is the special characters. Okay, so because strings must be written within quotes, Java will understand this string and generate an error. So how? If I'll say string txt1 is equal to we are the so-called Vikings and from the North India, suppose North place. Okay, so here we have written Vikings in the inverted comma. So, because strings must be within the quotes, Java will misunderstand the string and it will generate an error. Okay. So, to print this, what we will do? We can use the backslash escape characters. So the backslash escape character turns special character into string characters. So for example, I would like to print this Vikings in inverted comma. Then I can write like this: backslash double inverted comma, then again backslash double inverted comma. So this is how you can write in double inverted comma, and I'll just show you by just printing this. And let's say Control S, and I'll just print this. So this is how you can print "we are so-called Vikings" from the node. And for example, I would like to print this word in single inverted comma. So I'll say backslash single inverted comma and backslash single inverted comma. So you can see in the single inverted comma I have printed Vikings. And for example, you would like to print backslash itself in between the sentence, then you can also use that one also. But before going to that, what if you would like to use apostrophe? You would like to print apostrophe. So for that you will say, so let's say string, now let's say txt2, okay, and I'll say I would like to print its, but if I'll say its, then it will give an error. So I'll say it backslash single inverted comma s, it's all right. Okay, so like that you can print this, and I'll say sysout print txt2. Fine. So I'll just run this for you, and here it is. It's all right. Okay. And as I was talking about the another one, what if you would like to print backslash itself in a string? So I'll show that also. So string txt, I'll say is equal to the character backslash, okay, is called character backslash is called backslash, and I'll put semicolon, and just let's print it. I'll say text 3 and I'll just save it. This is how the character backslash is called backslash. Okay, so there are many more special characters that you can use for many more things. For example, backslash n is to use new line, backslash r is used for the carriage return, then backslash t can be used for the tab, and backslash b it is used for the backspace, and backslash f it is used for the form field. So there are many more special characters or special sequences, escape sequences, then that you can use in the Java. Now adding numbers and strings. So plus operator that can be used for both One is addition and another is concatenation. So we have used for the concatenation. Now I will show you how plus operator can also be used in another way. For example, I'll say x is equals to 10 semicolon int y is equals to 10, and I would like to concatenate this, or I would like to add this. Then I'll say z is equals to x plus y, and I'll just print this. I'll say z. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So this was the addition. And what if you will add both strings? I'll say string x is equal to inverted comma 10 and close inverted comma. Okay, string, another string y is equal to x y is equals to 10, and it will be also string since we have used string. Okay, so this is how we can also use a plus operator like this. So what it will do, it will concatenate these two numbers because we have written these two numbers in the double inverted comma. So this is how the string works in Java. There are many more advantages of the string. So that's it for the string. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubts, you can contact me via Instagram, that is @codegenerator11115, or you can drop me a mail pythoncode11115 @gmail.com, or you can directly ask any questions if you have in the comment section below. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe my channel to watch more and more videos in Java.